Hiya guys, this is part 2 of my journey through Lithuania. I hope you enjoy it. One thing I've noticed, everybody likes my little doggy. Everybody's saying and going, oh look at that, it's beautiful. So I've just checked in here to Hostel Jamaica. This place cost €11 for a mattress on top of a few crates. Big place, 3 stories, big massive kitchen. Yeah, it's actually alright, I suppose. Going to take a walk down this way, if I'm correct. Down towards the old town and see what's down there. Yeah, just walking down, I saw this pretty nice looking church. I'm going that way. Yeah, this is a nice looking square here, lots of space around here. You see there's a few little places here, probably for restaurants in the evening. Yeah, lots of little shops, mostly clothing shops, not much in the way of restaurants or pubs. But yeah, I'm going to take a walk down further, see what else I see. I just took a little walk down this side street. It's quite nice. Look at this. What a beautiful building. Brilliant. It's a pretty nice little place to walk about. There seems to be lots of little churches and lots of little side streets and things. And they all lead to beautiful buildings. Yeah, I'm going this way. That way. Yeah, one thing about Lithuania in general is that there's renovations everywhere. You know, which is a very, very good sign for the future. But yeah, another beautiful spot. Oh, there's not many things that I could actually put in this video. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to stay here for a little while. Yeah, this seems to be the square in Old Town. Very nice, but very quiet. There's not a lot of restaurants and pubs in the area. It's more shops for shopping. But yeah, that's another angle from that church there. Very beautiful. Our town hall. Yeah, I'm going this way. If you like architecture, you could walk around this city for hours. It's so beautiful. Okay, I've just got off here at the city of Alytus, which is about 100 kilometers south of Vilnuis. It's about 50 kilometers to the Polish border. Yeah, I just decided this place for some reason, I don't know why. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and sit and have a coffee and decide what I'm going to do after that. Okay, while walking around the square there, I just thought I'd check booking.com anyway, because I spent an hour and a half on the bus, and that's enough for one day. But yeah, check this out. Anyone for tennis? Or basketball? There's also a football pitch at the other side, full size. I have my own kettle, fridge. I have my tea ready. I got my own mini TV, which is good enough. Got my own bed. Got my little sofa. Come on, doggy, move. Sofa. I also have my own bathroom. Pretty cool. I even have a hairdryer. If only I had hair. So I'm going to stay here today. And then check out till 11 o'clock tomorrow. So by 11 o'clock tomorrow, I'll figure out how to get out of this city and head then straight down to Poland. That's the plan anyway. Fingers crossed it works. Oh, this is a lovely sight. It reminds me of my younger days. Well guys, the place where I'm staying, there's actually a local football match on at the minute. Everybody cheering and shouting. Yeah. They've got a chill and grill over there. I've got my kebab. And I've got my vodka orange. Haha. I've decided to stay here for another day, and the main reason is that I'll leave tomorrow, which is Friday. Tomorrow I don't know what I'll be doing or anything, but it means that I should be on the road on Saturday, which is the best time for hitchhiking. The other reason is they have a heater. I can actually dry my clothes. So I got up early this morning and I washed all my clothes in the sink. And I got them all hung up. And they should be ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to take a walk into the centre and I'll just see what's there. So I've made my way into a small little coffee shop here in a shopping centre, and I thought I'd treat myself to a cup of coffee. And I got myself a little treat as well. I'd like to say a big thank you to Davin Mullen. Thank you very much. I would also like to say thank you to the people who want to remain anonymous. Thank you. You know who you are. And also a special thank you to my girlfriend, who sent me money to actually get a train ticket when I get to Poland. Thank you very much, darling. I will see you soon. If you would like to support my channel, I will put a link in the description, and if you would like, you could buy me a coffee. I will also put a link in the description for the new book that I have recently published, My World on a Shoestring Budget. Check it out. Guys, this is the centre of Alytus. I had a little walk around there, and honestly, there's not much happening around here. It's not a tourist city or anything like that. But yeah, it's got a little pub, restaurant, it's got a little supermarket, and a few little shops. It's nice enough, I like it here. Little old buildings here. And these guys seem to like their kebabs. There's quite a few little kebab places in the area. Yeah, I love kebabs. I decided to walk through the park. This is the direction to the sports centre where I'm staying. Very nice, very relaxing. You can hear the birds singing. Very, very beautiful. This is actually the trail to the sports centre where I'm staying. It actually feels like I'm going to Granny's house. I hope the big bad wolf doesn't come out. Okay, this is probably my last evening now in Lithuania. Tomorrow I will head towards the Polish border, and yeah, I should get across the border. I've noticed that my body is craving meat because there's not been a lot of meat in my budget. I haven't been eating very much of it. So today I bought a kebab. The guy in the shop, he looked at me funny whenever I handed him the plastic carrier bag back. I don't believe in taking plastic bags, and I try to refuse them as much as possible because I have my own bag. I can easily put it in there. I must say the people here are pretty cool. I like Lithuanian people. They're pretty friendly, they're pretty helpful. But yeah, have a look at where I am. This park that's just right off the city centre. So beautiful here. Yeah, I must say that I'm very sad that I'm leaving Lithuania. It's a pretty cool place. Bon appetit, guys. Okay, I've just got off the bus here at Lazdai. It's very close to the Polish border. It's about 11 kilometers. The main road is up that way. So I'm going to go there. It's a beautiful sunny day. And it's only 2 o'clock, so I have all day to actually get there. I think I could actually walk it. But I'm going to hitchhike anyway. I'm going to start as I mean to carry on.